What's up guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to continue working on 2015 Jeep Cherokee Limited. As you know, in previous videos we stopped working on radiator support as we missing some parts. Today we have received all the parts, so we can start working on the radiator support and put it back on the Jeep. But before we start, please hit the subscribe button to grow our channel. Now let's don't waste our time and start working on the Jeep. Now radiator support is ready to go on the Jeep. I'm going to ask my friend to help me because it's going to be hard to mount with the radiator. We have just finished adjusting this side. It took lots of effort to align these bolts. Now we can go on the other side. radiator assembly is completely installed and secure, we can go ahead and install the plastic brackets. That's all we're going to do today. Sun is already down, so we will continue tomorrow. Tomorrow we're going to finish all the plastic trims. It is the next day. Let's continue where we left yesterday. I'm going to bring out all the parts here and going to install one by one. We have a front end fully assembled. Now next step is to assemble the bumper. But before we do that, we have to solve one issue. We have a cooling fan running all the time on. So we have to find out what is the reason. So I'm going to check with the relay and then I'm going to solve any electrical issue is there. We just did the research about issue and I found that we have some engine fault code, and I searched on the internet about the fault code which says it's not finding the active grill system which is installed in our bumper. So basically we don't have bumper installed, which is causing the fan running. So next week when we will fix our bumper and install the everything back, it should be fixed. So that's it gonna be for this video. In next video, we're going to fix the broken part of the bumper, going to replace some part and then going to repaint it. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like, share and subscribe below. See you next time.